Package from China. It's another day and a new package from China day. Yes, people. So in this video we are going to take a close look at the Nintendo DS clone, the 1000-in-1. Well, friends from China have created something new and we're going to check it out here on the channel. What are we going to get? So this is the 3-inch edition, and the reason why I'm called the Nintendo DS clone because it basically is more like a clamshell design. Okay, so I'm curious, what are we going to get inside the package? I think we don't need to ruin the package. No, we can open it up like this. It's a freaking miracle. Wow. Flimsy piece of paper. It comes with an micro USB cable, very long by the way, because we can charge it up. Of course, we're having the AV out cable with the tiny jack connection. And of course, the system itself. And wow, this thing weighs almost nothing. Urgh. Wow, yugi. So let's take a close look at the Nintendo DS Lite clone. So opening it up, oh man, I forget the most important thing. No, it doesn't smell chemical. And the way it's made is the most cheap way you can get a system. As you can see, it's not even staying in a position. So if you're playing it and you accidentally flip it too hard, it's going to get in the closed position. But let's take a close look at the layout. So we don't have a normal D-pad, we're having 4 rubbery buttons with a very long shitload of travel. Then we're having here, I'm guessing this is the select. Yes, the select and the start, A, B, X, Y, volume control, reset, and the on and off. It seems to be, oh, there it is. And here at the back we're having the very tiny and loud speaker. So there is nothing much to say. Micro USB for charging, AV out. Come open! Ah, that's much better. So like a lot of these handhelds, you can see it comes with a very small screen. It's just a 3-inch. Yeah, for the money that you're paying for these devices, we can't expect anything better and bigger than that. And most of the time they were going to get better. Oh, man, the viewing is going to get pretty poor. Okay, but nevertheless, we're going to choose the language, and every time you freaking reset it, it goes back to the menu, so you need to choose your language. Oh, it also resets the volume control. Oh man, come on. Already mentioned, the list itself is quite naughty. Okay, let's go back to the final page. And I almost know for sure that there's going to be double. It's just a mix of only 8-bit games, like always. I don't know why they keep making these 8-bit things. But you're getting the point. There will be a lot of homebrew stuff on it. They are naughty. Yeah, that seems some title thinking, I know those. That's freaking an idea you're using them. But in the end, all double freaking games. Okay, so let's start the video with a game called Bomb Helicopter. That sounds wrong in so many ways. Okay. Get to the chopper. Okay, so okay, what just happened? What the hell is going on? It's glitching. Oh, I take one thing back. When you reset it, it will go back one step. So for example, you're choosing a game. Let's say we're choosing Fish War. We're going back. We'll choose the menu and show you where you last have been. And I'm guessing when you're turning it on and off, you will not get it? No, then you're going to get the menu again. Okay, let's try it again. No, it still do remember us. Okay, that's a very good thing. So remember the last time you played. Galaxy Patrol. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Can we skip the shit? Oh, that's it. Oh, okay, that's it. There's anything you need to do. Avoid the stuff. Yeah, alright. Yeah, I didn't want to see the instructions. Of course I don't want to. Yeah, whatever. Stupid game. Okay, so let's try Plants vs. Zombies. And I must say this game is a lot of fun to play. I also tried the Mega Drive version. I can really appreciate it. No idea how to select something. Oh, yeah, finally. Oh, boy, this D-pad is really horrible. Yeah, grab the zone. Yeah, I got it. Let me know, man, in the comments, what do you think of this? I think it's pretty cool. Okay, let's see. Let's listen to the soundtracks. Oh, crap. The sound itself is not that bad. I have here some shitty 8-bit emulation, but those guys keep coming. Yep. So plugging the handheld in a television is one of the features a lot of the 8-bit stuff has. Sadly it's only AV out, so you need to have an old LCD or a CRT monitor to get it working. So I was wondering, how is this game going to play on 8-bit? Okay, let's see. That music. That is pretty cool. Let's crack up the volume, people. Bam, 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 bam. Ah, that's how it works. Oh, there are too many of them. Oh yeah, turbo mode. Oh, the turbo button is so convenient now. Oh. Oh yeah, one of my favorite beat 'em up adventure games. Come on. What is this, beat 'em up? Or is it? Yeah, it's a beat 'em up. Yeah, it's a beat 'em up. Because you beat up people. And you punch them in the face. Whoop. So to finish off this video, let's play part of the Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh yeah, 8-bit. So this system is filled up with a lot of homebrew stuff like this. And I can really appreciate it. For 8-bit Sonic, this game is not bad at all. It's glitching out, doing some weird stuff like this. Yeah guys, so I can play a lot of games, but I can conclude out of this that it's more like the same, like all the handhelds 8-bit stuff I've reviewed. So this model is the RS96. It seems to be on the bottom. It also said what kind of milliamp batteries inside. So yeah, this is what you're going to get with it. A lot of homebrew crappy games. I really like it. I don't know what with you, but I like these homebrew stuff like Sonic and Plants vs. Zombies. These are pretty cool in my opinion. So yeah, let me know in the comments what do you think of this. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit the little bell, and I will see you in the next video.